Simrat Kaur's simple vibes in red and nature. Simrat Kaur Randhawa began her film journey in 2017 with Premato Me Karthika, but she became popular after her role in Sunny Deol's Gadar 2. Simrat Kaur shared a peaceful moment on her Instagram. She sat on a roadside ledge. Behind her there were green fields, trees, and a wide lake. The sky looked calm and soft. Simrat Kaur wore a red tracksuit with a black and red jacket. She also wore a denim cap and biggie sneakers. हर कैप्शन रीड ज़िंदगी छोटी नहीं होती, हम जीना ही डेट से शुरू करते हैं, जब तक रास्ते समझ आते हैं तब तक लौटने का वक्त हो जाता है. Simrat Kaur Randhawa began her film journey in 2017 with Primato Me Karthika, but she became popular after her role in Sunny Deol's Gadar 2. She shared, "I have August 15 release lined up this year, so I am sure that the audience will see me in a patriotic film. This time playing an Indian character, she appeared as the special guest at the FLO Amritsar chapter's winter festival, igniting the power within. Simrat Kaur spoke about her journey and what helped her stay stronger. She said her belief in Gurbani kept her grounded. That has always been a part of my upbringing, maybe because Amritsar is my maternal and paternal home. I have been raised to begin and end my day with part. When Gadar 2 happened, became a star overnight, and to keep myself grounded, I turned towards my fate, she shared. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more informations.